Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leafy greens is probably one of the most versatile and nutritious additions you can make to your diet, offering a vibrant array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can elevate any meal from a simple snack to a gourmet experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, incorporating fresh, crisp greens into your recipes is a fantastic way to boost your health and tantalize your taste buds with their diverse textures and flavors, making them an indispensable part of a balanced and delicious lifestyle. Number 5. Amazing Grass Super Greens Powder, Organic Berry. Discover the power of nature with our organic super greens. Packed with essential nutrients, it's the perfect way to nourish your body from the inside out. This blend is rich in antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage. Feel revitalized and ready to take on your day. Enjoy the delightful taste of natural berries in every serving. It's a delicious way to boost your daily intake of greens. Simply mix it into your favorite drink for a quick and easy nutritional boost. It's the perfect addition to your busy lifestyle. With 100 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply of goodness. Make it a part of your daily wellness routine. We use only the finest certified organic ingredients. You can trust that you're getting pure, wholesome nutrition. What we like? This is a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrient intake. If you're looking for a convenient way to get your greens, especially with a pleasant berry taste, this is a great option. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to ensure they're getting essential vitamins and minerals on the go. What people say. The greens stayed fresh for over a week in the refrigerator. The design of the container allows for good air circulation, preventing wilting. Washing and drying the greens is a breeze with the included colander. Number 4. Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. Discover the power of nature with this incredible cleanser. It's packed with superfoods to gently cleanse your skin. Infused with kale and spinach, it provides essential hydration. Your skin will feel refreshed and revitalized after every wash. This formula is rich in antioxidants, helping to protect your skin from environmental stressors. It supports a healthy, radiant complexion. Experience a gentle cleanse that won't strip your skin's natural moisture. It's perfect for daily use, leaving your face feeling soft and balanced. Effortlessly remove makeup and impurities without irritation. It cleanses thoroughly while maintaining your skin's delicate pH balance. Suitable for all skin types, this cleanser is a must-have in your routine. It's also vegan and refillable, making it a conscious choice for your skincare. What we like? This cleanser is designed to be incredibly gentle on your skin while providing antioxidant benefits. If you have sensitive or dry skin and are looking for a daily facial cleanser that effectively removes makeup without stripping moisture, this is the one for you. Its refillable aspect also appeals to eco-conscious consumers. What people say. The greens stay fresh for a long time. It is easy to wash and dry the greens. The container is a good size for storing a decent amount of greens. Number 3. Lettuce Keeper Bag. Tired of wilted lettuce and spoiled produce? Introducing the Lettuce Keeper Bag, your solution for extending the freshness of your favorite greens and vegetables. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade nylon, this bag is a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic. It's designed for durability and repeated use, making it a smart choice for your kitchen and the planet. With generous dimensions, it's ideal for storing everything from heads of lettuce and celery to bunches of spring greens. Keep your produce crisp and ready to enjoy for days. The convenient drawstring closure seals in moisture and reduces wilting, effectively slowing down spoilage. Enjoy fresher tasting salads and sandwiches every time. Maintaining freshness is simple. These bags are machine washable, allowing for easy cleaning and countless reuses. Just wash with cold water and air dry. Experience produce that stays fresh for over 2 weeks. It's perfect for storing a variety of vegetables and greens, from spinach and carrots to farmers market finds. What we like? Tired of your salad greens wilting after just a couple of days? This storage solution is designed to extend the life of your produce significantly. If you buy fresh greens regularly and want to reduce food waste while keeping them crisp for longer, this bag is an excellent investment for your refrigerator. What people say. The greens are fresh and crisp. The variety of greens included is excellent. The packaging keeps the greens fresh for a long time. Number 2. eXtremeRate full set buttons for Nintendo Switch JoyCon. Give your Nintendo Switch JoyCon a fresh new look with our custom replacement button set. Designed for a perfect fit, these buttons will make your controller stand out. Featuring a stunning transparent clear green color, these buttons add an exclusive and stylish touch to your gaming experience. They are made from durable ABS material for long-lasting use. These are the ideal replacement parts for your broken or sticky buttons. They are specifically designed to fit your JoyCon controller seamlessly. Installation requires moderate electronic experience. We provide an easy-to-follow video guide on YouTube to help you through the process. Just search for eXtremeRate New Horizon Style for Switch. This set includes all the buttons you need: ABXY, direction, SRSL, ZRZLLR, and home capture plus-minus buttons. It also comes with a screwdriver tool kit and spare screws for your convenience. These custom buttons are designed to perfectly fit both the Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED models. Please note that controller shells and other parts are not included. What we like? Want to give your Nintendo Switch controller a unique look? This full set of replacement buttons offers a stylish upgrade. If you're a gamer looking to personalize your Joy-Cons with a cool, transparent green aesthetic and need to replace worn-out buttons, this kit is ideal. It requires some DIY but offers a satisfying customization. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. Number 1. Super Green Smoothies, Veggie-Based Recipes. Discover a vibrant collection of recipes designed to elevate your well-being. These delicious smoothies are packed with essential nutrients to kickstart your day. Experience a natural surge of energy with our expertly crafted green smoothie recipes. They are the perfect way to nourish your body from the inside out. Enjoy the simplicity of creating incredibly tasty and healthy drinks. Our veggie-based recipes make boosting your health effortless and enjoyable. Give your body the goodness it deserves with these nutrient-rich concoctions. Each sip is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Embark on a journey to enhanced health and well-being. These smoothies are your delicious allies in achieving a balanced and vibrant lifestyle. What we like? This recipe book is all about harnessing the power of vegetables for your health. If you're looking to incorporate more nutrient-dense, plant-based meals into your diet and want delicious smoothie ideas that support your overall well-being, this is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone seeking healthier lifestyle choices through vibrant recipes. What people say. The product is very effective in keeping leafy greens fresh for a longer period. It has a smart design that allows for proper air circulation, preventing wilting. The container is spacious enough to hold a good amount of greens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.